Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the second take. Guys, this is the second take. I'm so nervous. It's like I could just run away. That's how nervous I am. I know you cannot see me, you cannot see my face, but you can see me right there in the photograph, like behind. It's a bit blurry a little bit, but that's me right there. That's me right there behind that ornament, whatever is right there. Welcome to this craft channel. It's called TankisoThabang, and it's all about being thankful, being happy that we can craft, that we can do things, but it's just yeah, a happy place. I get encouraging, like I really don't know what to say, guys. I'm so nervous. I don't know if you can hear by my voice, but like I'm literally shaking, like my hands are shaking, if you can see. Like I don't know if you can tell my hands, like they're literally shaking, but I'm just holding myself not to run away from making this video, because it's been a while. I've been saying, okay, I will upload my first video, this is how it's gonna be, and that, until today, nothing. It's March 2024 now, and no video. And I had started, I had a plan, I had a book, I had a layout. Okay, 15th, first video is up. 15th of January, that means first video is up. Then I postponed it and I said, oh, 15th of February. Wrong. Like I know, in March, no video is up. But anyway, I digress. Let's just move on from that and do better. Basically, that's gonna be my motto for this year. Do better, Vitumelo. Just do better. Alright, that's where we start. It's a get to know me video. And my name is Bitumelo. That's the first question actually that I wrote down on my script. What's your name? My name is Bitumelo Msieling. That is me. And I've got like 5 questions for this video series, whatever it is. 5 questions. And yeah, if you guys have any more questions that you'd like to ask me, just leave it in the comment section and I'll answer it, or I'll probably make another video for it once the channel progresses and grows. And now, question number 2. Where are you from? Okay, this is where I'm from. South Africa. Guys, I'm so extra. Where? Of course I can't zoom in. I'm from somewhere like Gauteng, like I can't point it. Okay, just below Johannesburg, but not there, right there. Oh my gosh, somewhere there. I need a manicure, but wherever. So I'm from South Africa. Mayetsenval, to be exact. If anyone knows, you know. If you don't, ask us. And a third question is, do you have any siblings? Yes, I have siblings. I do. And question number 4, are you a full-time YouTuber? No, I'm not yet a full-time YouTuber. I'm starting off, but maybe one day is one day, guys. One day is one day. What are your hobbies? So this is my hobby, basically crafting things, making things with my hands, and this is one of them. I love a ball of yarn. You're gonna see the lovely things I'm gonna create with it. Apart from crocheting, I love crocheting, I love knitting, I love sketching. Might see something on the channel. Let's see. And I love sewing as well. Kore, anything that involves I'm there. And some digital designs. I love doing digital designs like invitation cards, wedding cards, birthdays, you know, just enjoy. And basically that is it. That's a get to know me video. So at least I can upload one video for the year and say I'm done. And bonus question, question, what's your favorite color? This is my favorite color, guys. I picked it for the video, so at least you know something of me. Any shade of green. Most shades of green I love. Most shades of green I love. So that's my favorite color as well. And guys, please tell your friends, tell your other friends, please to join, check my channel, subscribe. Yeah, well, please and let's grow this family. Let's learn a new skill, new hobby, to de-stress and relax, anything along those lines. And let's keep the conversation going in the comment section, guys. And let's grow this channel. Hopefully the next video I upload, it will be something that I did crochet. I actually have a few videos, guys, but the project aren't complete, hence everything is like just delayed, and I don't know why. I just need to do better. So this video is going to be holding me accountable to do better. So basically this year is just do better, Dumelo, for yourself. Upload. Just do better. Hope you see English. Hope to see you again soon on my next video. Bye with love.